Welcome to Corporate Vasi. Here we will explore insights to make corporate life more meaningful, productive, and fulfilling. In today's fast-paced corporate world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Tight deadlines, demanding teams, and constant change. But what if we could make it easier? What if corporate life wasn't just about surviving, but thriving? At Corporate Vasi, we bring you strategies that empower workers, managers, and leaders to tackle their biggest challenges, from productivity hacks to conflict resolution, from leadership insights to personal growth strategies.
Inspired by the world's greatest thinkers like Simon Sinek, we believe that corporate success begins with purpose. Whether it's discovering your why, building trust, or creating an environment where people thrive, our mission is clear: to simplify your corporate journey. Because when you grow, your organization grows. And when teams thrive, businesses succeed. Leadership isn't just about being in charge, it's about taking care of those in your charge. This timeless principle, beautifully articulated by Simon Sinek, has transformed the way we think about leadership, trust, and purpose. Let's start with the question that matters most: why? Simon Sinek's Golden Circle framework reveals that truly great leaders and organizations begin with their purpose, their why. This core belief drives everything they do. So, what's your why? What's the purpose that fuels your life or your work? Remember, as Simon says, people don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. Trust is the foundation of every successful team. In Leaders Eat Last, Sinek explains the concept of the circle of safety. Leaders must create environments where people feel secure, valued, and empowered to take risks without fear of blame or judgment. When leaders prioritize their team's well-being, magic happens. They collaborate better, innovate more, and stay loyal even during tough times. As Sinek reminds us, when we feel safe inside the organization, we will naturally combine our talents to face the challenges outside. Discovering your why is a journey, not just a destination. In Find Your Why, Sinek offers practical steps to uncover your unique purpose. Your why is timeless, inspiring, and deeply personal. It's what makes you proud, motivated, and fulfilled. In The Infinite Game, Sinek challenges us to think beyond short-term wins. Leadership, he argues, isn't a finite competition, it's an ongoing journey. Great leaders adopt an infinite mindset, focusing on sustainability, adaptability, and purpose.
Leadership isn't about titles or power, it's about purpose, trust, and service. As Simon Sinek says, great leaders are not the ones with all the answers. They are the ones who ask the right questions. So, what's your next step as a leader? Find your why, inspire trust, and play the infinite game. Together, we can create a future worth believing in. Remember, success is not what you do but why you do it, and how consistently you stay true to your purpose. As Simon Sinek says, leadership is not about being in charge. It's about taking care of those in your charge. So, let's ask ourselves, are we playing the infinite game? Are we leading with purpose, trust, and courage? The journey begins with one question: what is your why? Sinek outlines 5 practices for adopting this infinite mindset, a just cause that inspires long-term commitment. Courageous leadership that challenges the status quo. Trusting teams that thrive in safe environments. Viewing competitors as worthy rivals, not enemies. Existential flexibility, the willingness to pivot and adapt. Now, how can you apply these principles? Here are some actionable insights. As a leader, start every project by defining its why. Build a culture of trust by celebrating efforts and learning from failures. Embrace competition as an opportunity to grow. Whether you are leading a global team or managing your personal development, Sinek's teachings remind us that leadership is about inspiring others and creating a better future. If this inspired you, share this video, subscribe, and let's lead the world into a brighter tomorrow. Together, we can inspire billions.